point, this is an Eventbrite versus Meetup features difference video. As you can see, in Eventbrite, you get a massive landslide of features which are missing when it comes to Meetup. Like, you don't get registration management, customer support, ticketing is poor, inventory management is poor. The only things you get are event promotion, reporting, payment, processing. Now, if we look at all of the main features when it comes to Meetup, these are the things that you're getting. So get a good look at these things. And if you need any of these, in that case, Meetup is your way to go. But when it comes to Eventbrite, you can see literally the difference. And I would say that Eventbrite is just slightly better when it comes to ticketing. And if I had to go with one, I would go with Eventbrite. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.